guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will mix Java C matte latex paint. Java C is dark, bright, marine aqua blue with gorgeous deep water undertone. It is a perfect paint color for a restful study or bedroom. If you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button to be updated on our more upcoming paint mixing videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 liter Java C matte latex paint mix. Okay, let's start by pouring at least 50% ratio of flat latex white. Then let's add ochre color phthalo green. Let's also add gloss latex phthalo blue to achieve the matte finish. Let's now stir the paint very well. Okay, let's compare to the client chosen sample. It's almost the same. We just have to make it more brighter. Let's add more flat latex white. Also add more gloss latex phthalo blue. Then let's add a little ochre color permanent violet to reduce the greenish shade. Stir the paint very well. Now compare it once again. Oh, we are just a little more darker. Let's add more flat latex white and drop a little ochre color phthalo green. Okay, let's compare it once more. Yes, it's almost the same. Just drop a little more phthalo green to achieve the same shade. Also add more flat latex white to make it more brighter. Yes, it's color Java C already. Mixing accomplished. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to keep updated on my paint mixing tutorial videos. For more info, questions, and requests about paint mixing, paint colors, painting procedures, painting materials, and kind of paint, just comment here. Thank you so much. God bless.
Bartender, come.